The TVEMA Group of Companies. Railways, being the principal transportation system of any economically developed country of the world, are currently experiencing feverish growth. In connection with this, the question of guaranteeing the safety of movement at high speeds and with heavy loads has become one of the most important issues during the development of railway infrastructure the world over. Russia is one of the largest railway powers of the world. The great lengths of rail lines, the massive loads, and the extreme temperatures have all led to the adoption of strict standards to ensure safe passage on its railways. As a result of the measures taken, the number of accidents on the railways in Russia is the lowest in the world. In this respect, Russia is ahead of the European Union, the USA, and China. This is the result of the vital work of a great number of people and companies that are employed in the development and production of diagnostic equipment to ensure the safety of the railway infrastructure in Russia. One of these is the TVEMA Group of Companies. Today, it is a rapidly developing international holding with its managing company located in the capital of Russia, Moscow, uniting 5 branches in Russia and having regional offices in the Ukraine, Germany, and China. The company's branches in Russia create its unique products, while its international regional representative offices in Europe and Asia allow for efficient cooperation with partners and customers in foreign markets. From the very first days of its existence, our company has created devices and equipment for ensuring the safe operation of railway transport. Originally, these were fault-detecting apparatuses, inspection equipment for rail cars, and the main principle of the construction of these systems was simplicity and reliability in operation, and the guaranteed detection of defects and a range of faults, initially in the rails. And then we expanded the product line to monitor all objects of the infrastructure. As of today, we produce integrated maintenance diagnostics of all infrastructure items that have an effect upon the safe movement of trains. Currently, our products are used by railway operators throughout the entire former Soviet Union, from Sakhalin to Kaliningrad, and from Murmansk to Sochi. The scientific, technical, and production capacity of the company allows for the creation of exclusive and frequently one-of-a-kind products for various applications in the sphere of railway safety. They include diagnostic rail cars and trains for the inspection of railway infrastructure, management systems of railway sections, stationary monitoring systems for rolling stock, rail laboratories mounted on a variety of types of vehicles, and manual monitoring devices. The software for the equipment is also developed by the company's specialists. The company has been cooperating closely for decades with the Russian Railways JSC, the largest Russian rail carrier and operator. Most of the projects are developed based on decisions taken by Russian railways under the direction of the government of the Russian Federation. In 2008, the company's products were given high marks by Russia's Prime Minister Vladimir Putin during his visit to the main computer center of the Russian Railways JSC, as well as to its diagnostic facilities, Integral, in St. Petersburg. At present, the company occupies the dominant position in the markets of mobile diagnostic methods of railway tracks and railway infrastructure in Russia and the CIS. The company's products' share in the overall Russian inventory of this type of diagnostic facilities is 75%, in Kazakhstan's inventory 50%, and in the Ukraine's inventory 40%. The high application performance of the company's products can be confirmed by their certification under 2 international quality management systems, the General and the Railway Specific. The distinguishing factor of products engraved with the TVEMA logo is a balanced combination of factors that are key to the user: modularity, allowing for the integration of different manual and mobile diagnostic facilities, the quality-to-price ratio, and simplicity of construction. The advantages of TVEMA's products may be confirmed not only by the corresponding patents and certificates, but by the numerous diplomas from the largest international specialized trade shows and forums, in which the company has already been a regular participant for the past 2 decades. An integral part of the corporate policy lies in non-production activity. The Engineering Diagnostics Specialists Training Center, a non-governmental educational institution, was created in the year 2009 in one of the production facilities. This center focuses on the training and the retraining of specialists for the maintenance and operation of diagnostic facilities for the railways of Russia, the countries of the CIS, and for various industrial enterprises. Instruction is conducted by highly qualified teachers and is carried out in accordance with approved programs of instruction, with the application of state-of-the-art methods of training. The company understands that the successful and efficient operation of complex methods of diagnostics of a new generation can be achieved only by competent and qualified personnel. Comprehensive product support services and the presence of its own training center for personnel enables the company to ensure not only the fast commissioning of any, even the most complex equipment, but its continued and smooth operation. All of this combined provides for the company's self-relying activity at all ages of the life cycle of the product and allows for joining together all the links of the marketing chain. Today, it can be said that thanks to the high-level production facilities and to the highest skill-level qualifications, the personnel of the TVEMA group of companies is capable of promptly implementing the most challenging desires of its customers. In continuing cooperation with its partners, the TVEMA group of companies is committed to further expand the scope of application of its products and ready to consider proposals regarding joint activities. Making the decision to work with us, you may rest assured that the operations of your railway infrastructure facilities will become more efficient and safe.